How to find your user ID on BingX. Are you using BingX and wondering how to find your user ID? Then you are in the right place. Welcome back to Wake&Tech. In this genuine step-by-step tutorial, I will show you exactly how to find your BingX user ID using the app, or you can also do this on a website. The process is quite similar. First things first, launch open the BingX application on your smartphone and log in. Once you're logged into the home screen of BingX, go ahead and tap on your profile icon located at the top left corner. In the expanded menu, you should go to the very top of the screen and you'll notice your email and the user ID. Tap on it to open up the personal info section. From the personal info section, tap on the copy button right next to UID, and there you have found your user ID on BingX. You can write down your user ID for future use. You may need your BingX user ID while contacting BingX support, completing account verification, sharing details for referrals or promotions, and resolving deposit or withdrawal issues. So that's how you easily find your user ID on BingX application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.